their billionaire donors. Questions?
Mr. Leader, thank you. I don't know if you heard the President's comments a short time ago in the Oval Office, but he did seem to indicate a willingness maybe to negotiate on the ACA subsidies. He said if we made the right deal, he also seemed to suggest that, well, he said something to the effect of we're talking to Democrats. So A, have you had any conversations as of late with the President or the White House? And B, what do you make of his willingness maybe to strike a deal here?
Well, the White House has gone radio silent since the Oval Office meeting last Monday, and neither Leader Schumer or myself have heard a word from the administration about resolving this issue, making clear to us that the White House wanted to shut the government down, to continue the chaos that they've been inflicting on the American people since day one of this presidency. It's an interesting statement that the President has made, and I think both House and Senate Democrats are clear. We'll sit down anytime, any place with anyone from your administration, including the President, to get a resolution here with respect to the Affordable Care Act tax credits, which need to be extended right now, as well as dealing with and addressing the Republican health care crisis that is devastating everyday Americans all across the country.
Do you still intend to call House Democrats back into D.C. this week at all?
We have a caucus meeting at 6 p.m. today. We'll have a House Democratic caucus leadership meeting. That's the full leadership tomorrow, and I expect a strong presence of House Democrats throughout the week here in Washington. And the interesting thing to me is, why are House Republicans still on vacation? They've actually been on vacation for the last few weeks, and Mike Johnson once again has canceled votes. Why are they so afraid of being here at the Capitol and doing their job? Why don't Republicans want to swear in Representative-elect Adelita Grijalva? Is it the Epstein files? Is it the unwillingness to address the Republican health care crisis? Is it because they know the American people have blamed Republicans for recklessly shutting down the government? Or is it all of the above? House Democrats are here on duty. House Republicans remain on vacation. That's a shame. Back?
What do you say to your young constituents, energized young constituents that helped put Mamdani in the position that he's in, and now they're calling for you to represent their wishes and endorse him?
I think I've answered those questions repeatedly, and I have more to say before early voting.
Democrats historically have been relatively anti-shutdown. Are you concerned, as this drags out, that you might be helping normalize that as a negotiating tactic?
No, we're not normalizing anything here. What we're normalizing is the notion that if Republicans want Democrats to participate in a spending bill that requires Democratic votes in the Senate, and I'm thankful for Senate Democrats who are holding strong under the leadership of Chuck Schumer. If Republicans want Democratic participation in the appropriations process, then that means we actually have to come together, sit down, negotiate a bipartisan bill, and do something that makes life better for the American people and doesn't continue to hurt everyday Americans. We were very clear from the beginning. For weeks in September, we said we will not support a partisan Republican spending bill that continues to gut the health care of the American people. We didn't hide that from anyone. We were very clear, live and direct, with Republicans and with the American people. And we're standing on the side of the American people who have experienced this devastating cut to Medicaid, this refusal to extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits, this assault on their hospitals, their nursing homes, and their community-based health centers. And the American people have understandably had enough, and Democrats are standing on their side. Michael?
Mr. Leader, you challenged Speaker Johnson to a floor debate this morning. He responded that it was a desperate plea for attention. How do you answer that response from the Speaker to your challenge to debate him on the House floor in prime time?
Well, Mike Johnson and I, have a very open and candid and forward-looking